Strucker here, more likely known as Dino Lagachi. I want to say thank you guys so much for following my TikTok. I started it just about a month ago and the traction has been unreal. I have over 120,000 followers now. The main goal behind the TikTok is to actually teach the youth about how to make money compared to traditional ways of making money, getting a job, going to school, going into debt. It's not the way anymore. It's all about entrepreneurship now and finding ways to make money here and there on your own time. So I'm gonna teach you guys a way today of how to make $150 right now sitting at your computer. First of all, if you guys can, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom right there. It's gonna help me out a ton and you guys will be first notified about whenever I drop a new video. So please hit that like and subscribe button. So let's dive into it right now. It's my first YouTube video, so be a little lenient on me. Thanks so much. But yeah, so this is coinmarketcap.com. This allows you to see all different types of cryptocurrencies out there. And give me a second to explain, and you guys will it'll make more sense to you guys after I'm done explaining this part. But basically, in the total cryptocurrency market, there is $220 billion in the market. And currently today, there's $14 billion traded in Bitcoin. That's just Bitcoin alone. There's over 2,000 different kinds of cryptocurrencies. I recommend only looking at the top ones because the bottom ones are a little more risky, but it's not the point. The point is I'm trying to show you guys is that it's not a dead asset. It is flowing. There is money being traded every single day through it. And this is the intro to what I'm going to explain right now. But if you guys don't know how to get into Bitcoin itself or cryptocurrencies, all you got to do is go to Coinbase.com and you guys could use this referral link. You guys get 10 bucks whenever you sign up and invest $100 or more. I will put that link also in my bio. And yeah, you're able to buy cryptocurrencies by just linking your bank account. You have to be 18 and over, but this is the first step into getting the $150 off your computer that I was talking about. So all you gotta do is go to coinbase.com/earn and you could actually earn crypto by just learning about it. For example, they are giving away DAI coins, they're giving away EOS coins, they're giving away Stellar Lumens. I'm not going to go into detail about talking about what each one of these cryptocurrencies do. You could learn that by just starting the course. But I'm going to show you guys that this is legit by starting the course. We'll go to EOS, sure. And basically, you watch all the lessons and you earn money by watching each video. You can earn up to $150. Some of them require you to go on wait lists, but most of them do not. So let's dive into it right now. We're going to watch a 3-minute video and we're going to answer the questions with you guys. So lesson 1, what are EOS.io and EOS? So you got to watch the video to unlock the quiz, and if you pass the quiz, you get $2 in EOS. Let's watch it right now.
What are EOS.io and EOS? Let's say you're a software developer and you want to build a blockchain-based application designed for millions of users. What do you need to consider? Blockchains have several advantages over traditional web applications, such as security and decentralization. However, in the past, they've also struggled to scale, been difficult to develop for, and suffered from significant transaction fees. If you're a developer building an app for millions of people, these limitations are real concerns. That's why the open-source EOS.io protocol was created. EOS.io was designed from the ground up to support scalable, easy-to-use, secure blockchain applications. First, EOS.io itself is scalable. Applications built on EOS.io have much lower latency than other blockchains. This means you don't have to wait minutes or even hours to know if a payment was processed or a message was sent. Transactions on EOS.io take only half a second. Second, EOS.io is easy to use for both users and developers. Transactions are free. Actions like sending tokens to a friend, selling an in-game item, or liking a comment are all free. And because they're on-chain,
Look, I could even skip the video and take the quiz right now, but what is EOS.io? That is basically let's look at the questions. And I think it's a blockchain protocol for fast and scalable applications. So we're going to click that one. And let's see what happens. And boom, I earned $2 right there from watching 2 minutes of a video. It said 3 minutes, but I only did 2 minutes. And yeah, you basically complete all the videos from every single cryptocurrency, and you could earn up to $150. I will answer any questions you guys have inside the comments below. Once again, please hit that subscribe button. This is just one of the videos I'm going to post about how to make money straight from the computer. There are a ton more I'm going to release very soon. And yeah, thank you guys so much again. Looking